An appeal this evening for urgent attention along the Rose Hall Main Road in St. James following a horrible 5-vehicle collision Wednesday which claimed one life. The councillor for the area says for the past 3 years he's been appealing for measures including proper lighting to make the area, which is a crash hotspot, safer. Here's Krista Campbell with the details.
On this road every single week.
This week's crash along the Rose Hall Main Road in St. James happened about 7 o'clock Wednesday night. It involved 5 vehicles. The driver of a premix truck somehow lost control of the vehicle, rode an embankment and overturned across the road. The truck fell on top of a townies van on the other side of the roadway, killing the van driver. 3 other vehicles, 2 motor cars and a coaster bus, which were traveling behind the townies, also collided. The occupants' conditions are still not known, but a colleague of the truck driver says he's doing well.
Known him for years and he's a very good driver. He has never been in an accident before, right? So I don't know what could have caused this.
Now, while it's not clear if speeding played a part in Wednesday's crash, Councillor for the Rose Hall Division, Anthony Murray, says it's always been an issue along that stretch of road.
In 2018, when John Rawlins Success Primary School lost a number of students because of fatal accidents, I have made a request that a section of the Rose Hall Main Road, that is from the Wyndham Hotel leading into Lilliput, be considered a school zone, which will result in the restriction in the way people drive and the speed limit in this area.
Lighting is also an issue. Just last week, Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett raised concern about how the street lights were set up.
There's of course a relay system, which is a technology that Jamaica felt was good. Well, it has not worked as well for us as it should, because what we are finding is that if one light is knocked out, then a whole series of lights are also knocked out.
Now he says the Tourism Enhancement Fund is to meet with the National Works Agency, the Jamaica Public Service and Municipal Corporation to address how the roadway is being used and managed. In the meantime, the councillor wants more police patrols to monitor motorists, but
The Barton station is short in personnel. But more importantly, a police station that serves over 15,000 residents and has to do traffic as well, don't have a proper service vehicle to do, so that they can carry out the work that they need to be done.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.